You're watching Twisted TV. Welcome to the channel and thanks for watching. And welcome to Doorbell News Now. Coming up on tonight's episode, we have these innocent homeowners' house TP'd, and these not so innocent hoodlums guilty of vandalism and destruction of private property. We have Porch Pirates. And of course more Porch Pirates. We have door handle wigglers. We have stolen Cadillac converters. We even have a man dressed up as a fake cable man trying to rob homes and much more. As usual, it's going to be a twisted and disturbing one. And of course, as usual, grab the popcorn. Dim the lights. Don't forget your favorite blanket. Let's get into twisted and disturbing behavior at its worst. Without further ado, let's get started. Des Moines, Iowa. Attempted break-in. We have a door handle wiggler. Watch out for this man. He tried to get into the side door of these unfortunate people's house. He then attempted the same on the front door. He rang the doorbell, then jiggled the handle. This man also tried to get into these people's truck as well. Absolutely shameful. This night walker is out and about trying every door handle in sight. Please be aware and always keep your doors locked. The footage seems to have a glitch in either the homeowner's recording or uploading of the video. There seems to be a square glitch in the center. I do apologize and decided as a content creator to improvise on the situation. If you're wondering about the awkward placement of my image in this clip, this is why. Des Moines, Iowa. Porch Pirate. In this clip you can see an adult male comes up and steals these people's Amazon package. Please turn your Ring notifications on, people. In doing so, you can avoid situations like this one. St. Paul, Minnesota. Stolen Cadillac converter. The homeowner of this residence said, "Some idiots this morning stole his converter." He asked, "Please keep a lookout and help catch these thieves." These two fine gentlemen roll up to this person's house during broad daylight and steal their Cadillac converter. Wow. I have said this before. I would say these two fine gentlemen have some balls, but I think it's more lack of brains. I would like to think that it will not take long for these guys to get caught. Unfortunately, criminals like this get away all the time. So, if you don't know, you're probably wondering why in the hell someone would want to steal a Cadillac converter. It's because of the price of precious metals like palladium and platinum. A stolen Cadillac converter can have a street value or scrap value of $25 to $500. This is according to a 2021 report by the Congressional Research Service. This could cost an owner $3,000 or more to replace and fix. So, this is why people steal Cadillac converters. Keep an eye out for these too if you are in the area. And keep an eye on your Cadillac converters, folks. St. Paul, Minnesota. Another porch pirate out and about stealing packages in the middle of the night. The homeowners said their package was delivered at midnight and stolen in the early hours of 3:30 a.m. in the morning. St. Paul, Minnesota. Car theft. Random person checking for open vehicles. The homeowner said of course the one time our vehicles aren't locked they get broken into. Thankfully nothing of value in the vehicles were taken. Keep an eye out for this guy. He also went to the neighbor's house checking their vehicles as well. If you've made it this far, please consider showing your support by hitting that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. St. Paul, Minnesota. You guessed it, another porch pirate. The homeowner said a gray Tacoma stopped in front of her house to scout first. He attempted to grab the package himself but realized it was slippery out. He then went and brought his child or wife, looks female, to commit the theft just 3 minutes later. The homeowner also said that this is sad because they are probably one of their neighbors since it only took him 3 minutes to return. Boise, Idaho. Unwanted stranger lurking on homeowner's property. This man showed up on these people's property wiggling handles and trespassing. He claimed to be with the cable company. What do you think? He definitely resembles ZZ Top, but does he look to you like a legit cable man? Tell us what you think in the comments. I would say hell no. This man looks completely sus to me. This man entered the homeowner's backyard after proclaiming he was with the cable company. The homeowner called the cable company to verify this. The cable company said there was no service from them on the property or even in the area. They also said they would never enter someone's yard without consent first. We upload new content weekly. Please show your support to the channel and please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. If you have any content or content ideas you would like to share or see in a future episode of Twisted TV, please email us at mytwistedtvcontent@gmail.com. And thanks for watching. Boise, Idaho. Toilet paper incident. 6 kids TP these poor people's house during the early hours of morning. The homeowner said it was not really that big of a deal. They said high school kids will be high school kids. The part that upset them the most was the kick at the end. The kid mule kicked the door 3 times and cracked the frame. This homeowner is way too kind. I'm pissed off just watching it. And it's not even my house. I get it. We were all kids once upon a time and we all have done dumb shit as kids. The kick at the end was taking a prank just a little too far. Now the homeowner has to fix his door and pay for the damages. Completely shameful. I hope these kids are caught and pay for the damages. I hope they also learn a valuable lesson from their actions. If you have any information, please contact the local authorities in the area. Thanks. Boise, Idaho. A guy walking around with a knife. Okay. If that's not scary, I don't know what is. Boise, Idaho. Damn Porch Pirates. They never stop. This person stole packages from the front door of this residence. They must be nervous and in a big hurry because they dropped a package on the way out. If anyone has footage or information on this person, please contact local authorities. Thanks. Boise, Idaho. Car theft. This fine citizen stole this person's many belongings around 3:30 a.m. in the early hours of morning. The homeowner says any information would be great. Just giving everyone a heads up. Please be aware. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please show your support by hitting the like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on new content, perks and giveaways. We wanted to give a shout out to Bildo Dildo on this one. You crack us up, lol, keep doing what you do. You know who you are, and thanks for supporting the channel. We hope to see you all on the next one. Until then, keep it classy, stay safe, always keep your doors locked and those ring notifications on, and always stay vigilant, my friends.